Hi everyone, my name is Kat, and in this video I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process and how to start your NMC registration. So this is my actual video on how I would create my NMC account. So first thing that you need to do is go to their official website. So I just search through Google NMC registration, and the first link that will populate on the Google results page is the correct one that we should click on. This is their official website, nmc.org.uk. And then after that, just go to the registration tab and then click on joining their register. And since I am a registered nurse, I'll go ahead and select this option, register as a nurse or a midwife. And also, since I am trained outside the UK, specifically in the Philippines, I will select the second option. And today's date is October 9, 2021. So I will be registering in the new registration process already. So I'll click on this application. Started after October 7, 2019. And then if you guys wanted to know more about what you need to prepare prior to your application, you can go ahead and click on this option. So this will give you an overview of the application process, the steps, including how much is it gonna cost you, and then how long is it gonna take, and what are the necessary documents that you needed to prepare. So let's go ahead and click this, how much is it going to cost, so that we would know how much are we going to prepare. Alright, so since I am still starting to my application process, I have already prepared £140 for the evaluation fee. So just a heads up, this is non-refundable. So in case my application has already been evaluated and they already sent me an authorization to take the examination for CBT, then I will go ahead and pay £83 for the examination. Then I believe after that you also have to prepare this amount. As for the rest, these are covered by your employer. It depends on the agency as well and your agreement with them. So just inquire, since these are huge amounts of money. Okay, so let's check how long is it going to take. So as what I see here, it shows that the application qualification assessment may take within 14 days. So I have also read on some of the Facebook comments that there are times that it goes beyond 14 days. So what you need to do is just email NMC directly to follow up on it, and just go through this one if you have time so that you'll know more about it. So for now, I'll just go ahead and proceed with my registration so I can now create my own NMC account. So I have to click this one, find out how to join the register. And then I'll go ahead and go to step number 2, complete eligibility and qualification application, and click begin your application. And let's go ahead and start our application. Alright, so just click on next after your, and then since I wanted to be want to register as a nurse, so I'll click on this option, and you will be given 4 fields to select. So it depends on you. If you are a pediatric nurse, probably if you wanted to work in the UK as a pediatric nurse, perhaps you can choose this one. As for most of the applicants, they register as a registered nurse adult. You may check with your employer as well as to what specific field you should apply for, just to make sure. Okay, so for now, I will choose registered nurse adult since I prefer this field anyway. So click on yes, and I don't have an NMC. Yes, I have not been issued with an NMC pin. And then click on next. Then just select your country of nationality and where you were trained in. Then click on next. Okay. So make sure that all the information here is correct. So since I already checked and understood this one, I'll go ahead and proceed with the application and sign up to register with the NMC online. So you will be routed to this page wherein you have to input your basic information. I'll go ahead and pause the video first and then I'll just continue recording after. Alright, so I already entered all the necessary information. I'll go ahead and proceed with the registration and click on next. Alright, oh okay, so you will be routed to this page. You will be setting up your own password. And then click on submit. One uppercase. Okay. Okay, so they will send you a link on your email to verify your account. Please ensure you click on the link to continue to your application. Okay, let me check my email if I already got the link for verification. So I immediately received the confirmation verification link rather to confirm my email address. So I'll just click on the link that was attached on the email and let's check out. Okay, please log in to proceed. Okay, so you have to use your email address that you used a while ago to register your account and of course the password that you set up a while ago. Let me enter the details first and I'll get back to you. Alright, so after you log in your email address and your password, you will be asked some security questions and that you will now be routed to your NMC user page, and this will also show on your home page. So I will end this video for now. This would be just the creation of my NMC account. On another video, I'm gonna show you the continuation of my NMC application so I can process my payment. Alright, I'll just put in the link below so you can also check it out for those who are already ready to process their payment for the evaluation fee. Alright, so I hope you guys like this video. Please just consider subscribing. This is a new channel, so I hope to upload more informative videos and anything under the sun perhaps. Um, for those who are still starting out, go ahead, start your application so we can go ahead and achieve our UK dream. Okay, I wish everyone good health and God bless us all. Thank you.